Jakarta, the beating heart of Indonesia, the concrete jungle where dreams are made of for many Indonesians. But the Jakarta dream comes at a price. The never-ending traffic, the crowded streets, it all takes its toll. Met Apri, a young busy professional on Jakarta Fast Track. The pressure to succeed, the high expectations from bosses, the constant need to prove himself are on his shoulders. By the end of the day, Apri is drained, both physically and mentally. And Apri isn't alone. This is the reality for countless Jakartan. The mental health toll of this fast-paced life is a serious issue, not just here, but around the world. Today, we are shedding light on an important global health issue, mental health disorders. Did you know, based on WHO data, 1 in every 8 people worldwide lives with a mental health disorder. That's a significant portion of our global population facing challenges every day. Despite the prevalence, most individuals suffering from mental health disorders do not have access to effective care. This is alarming, considering that mental disorder can cause serious disturbance in a person's thinking, emotional regulations, and behavior, affecting their daily life and well-being. There is a negative stigma in society, so individuals are embarrassed and mocked when they visit a psychologist or psychiatrist. From the survey by Indonesian Psychiatric Associations, 78% of patients who did the mental health checkup are teens and young adults under 31 years old. 3 out of 4 Indonesian teens are thought to have a mental problem, but only 1 in 4 Indonesian teens have ever been to a psychologist or therapist. Based on JackPad and Goodstat ID, social stigma, lacking access, and scared of being called crazy are the most common reasons for teens do not want to seek help. Assist You Virtual Reality is a disruptive innovation, where Assist You Virtual Reality could bring patients to the expert beyond stigma and social assumptions. Indonesia is lacking of psychological and psychiatric personnel, where the ratio of psychiatrists to the populations is approximately 1 per 250,000, and psychologists to the populations is 1 per 90,000. As disruptive innovations, Assist You Virtual Reality helps overcome the shortage of psychological and psychiatric personnel while still addressing patients' demands. To answer that call, Assist You is presented, marking the revolution of mental health, VR, and teleconsultation. Six Corp consists of Aprianto as founder, Devita as commercial director, Hani as finance director, Erlangga as operational director, Buyung as SCM director, Rizky as R&D director, and Zahra Juwita as HR director, has created Assist You by integrating artificial intelligence and psychology. We've developed a VR device designed to help society to manage and relieve stress. Healing at the speed of thought. Assist You, our innovative solutions like VR therapy brings immediate, effective relief right where it's needed. Welcome to the future of mental health care with Assist You, our groundbreaking virtual reality product. Imagine a world where therapy transcends physical boundaries, where immersive, interactive environments help you navigate and improve your mental well-being. Why this technology is not just beneficial but necessary? With Assist You, users gain rapid access to personal health assistance. This means no more long waits or barriers to receiving the help you need. Wherever you are, timely support is now at your fingertips. Leveraging the immersive and personalized nature of VR technology, Assist You creates tailored therapeutic environments that significantly enhance the effectiveness of treatment. Assist You offers a compelling alternative, utilizing advanced VR to provide therapeutic interventions without relying solely on medicine. Who can truly benefit from Assist You, our revolutionary virtual reality device designed for mental health treatment? First, busy professionals. Second, people with limited access to mental health services. And third, Gen Z. Assist You is here to meet the diverse needs of this group, providing tailored, convenience, and effective mental health care. Here's how it works. Starting the journey, when you're feeling down or need support, simply wear your VR headset for immediate assistance. AI diagnosis. Once you have the headset on, our advanced AI technology will scan your current condition. It quickly generates a preliminary diagnosis to understand what you're experiencing, tailoring the intervention to your specific needs. Personalized visualizations. If the AI determines that your situation is manageable, it will proceed to guide you through personalized visualizations. These are designed to help you calm down, providing a soothing and therapeutic environment that's customized just for you. Expert connections. If the situation requires more than basic intervention, the AI will facilitate a connections with a mental health expert. This expert can provide further counseling, support, and even prescribe necessary treatments, ensuring you receive the comprehensive care. Product innovation has 3 goals: to make therapy engaging and enjoyable, to achieve therapeutic results, and to offer alternative treatments. In the world of mental health treatment, virtual reality has emerged as an example of knowledge-intensive business services. This innovative approach has the potential to bring out significant reductions in costs and improvements in efficiency. VR for mental health treatment brings about innovation in services, processes, and products. Through the collaborations of VR and AI, a holistic assessment of mental health conditions is achieved. This is why AssistU VR was a product, services, and process innovations. This shows how our technology and remote monitoring come together to provide effective therapy at home while staying connected to a professional.
Hello, my name is Regina. I'm a lecturer in private university in Jakarta and also a psychological associate. This is something good from my perspective because not many people maybe in the world, in Indonesia especially, they have no ability to recognize or to acknowledge their stressor, to understand their mental condition, to validate their emotions. So it will be hard for them, and it will help them to rise their psychological well-being and find their professional. Because not for everybody, they really quite sensitive to recognize, okay, I need a professional right now. But with this kind of VR, so it can be the first step to raise their awareness about mental health and mental condition, and it can help people to normalize it's okay for not being okay like that. I agree actually, yes. This kind of tools has a good intention why you guys create this kind of product, right? So of course it's possible to be implemented, but still we need to ensure the involvement of the experts because of the condition of mental health to each person, everybody is totally different. So that's the thing. And also the good thing from psychological field, it means that we cannot nowadays people be as a professional and also as a scientist. I cannot live separately with technology, but with this kind of VR, we can work complement with each other to help people to find or to pursue their potential, to have improvement in their mental health. But still, it cannot work itself. It's also need so many experts that they can help them to make a guidance to to complete, to make it more perfect. And also, of course, when we have this kind of technology, everybody that can have this kind of thing to help them to be a strategy. Like for example, when you have mental conditions such as episodic stress, it means that you have kind of negative mental condition, and some people we suggest to make a journal or to talk to someone. But with this kind of VR, someone can do anything like regularly talk with VR, or maybe watching something, or maybe find some of improvement and record this. And we are as a psychologist can be very excited for this because we can find the record of their activity. So that's all my review and perspective about this plan. Thank you.
This is our business model canvas, where we unveil the innovative synergy of virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and teleconsultations in revolutioning mental health care. To make this vision a reality, we've partnered with leading VR developers to create immersive and therapeutic virtual environments, mental health organizations, telehealth platforms, and healthcare providers. Our key activities focus on developing cutting-edge VR experiences, integrating advanced AI for personalized support, securing partnership with telehealth platforms, and providing exceptional customer support. To deliver these innovative solutions, we rely on key resources like VR hardware and software, powerful AI technology, well-established telehealth infrastructure, a network of qualified psychiatrists, and talented content creators who craft engaging virtual experiences. Our value propositions is simple. We offer high-tech, personalized health devices that provide rapid response, unparalleled safety, and continuous support for our customers. Whether you are a busy professional, a Gen Z individual seeking mental well-being, or someone living in an area with limited access to mental health services, we have solution for you. With user-friendly mobile apps, virtual AI assistants, personalized care plans, and exceptional customer service, we forge strong relationship with our customers, ensuring their needs are met with our utmost care and attention. Through direct-to-customer sales, strategic doctor partnerships, and hospital collaborations, we reach our diverse customer segments, ensuring accessibility to all those in need of mental health care. Our cost structure is primarily driven by research and development, ensuring continuous innovation. Manufacturing, of course, plays a role. Additionally, we invest heavily in providing exceptional customer support and impactful marketing and sales initiatives. We generate revenue through various channels. These include direct product sales, offering a monthly subscriptions for access to additional content and features, partnership with healthcare providers, and revenue sharing agreements with our key partners. Our innovation strategy is a comprehensive, 5-phase approach to bringing new product to the market. First phase, market research and needs analysis. We start by identifying demand, conducting stakeholders and competitive analysis to understand the market landscape. Second phase, product development. Next, we develop prototypes, select key features, and ensure compliance with the health regulations and certifications. We also validate clinically through research publications, partnership with health institutions, and pilot testing. Third phase, business model development. In this phase, we define our pricing strategy and subscriptions model. We secure funding and build strategic partnership with telecommunications, hardware manufacturers, or software developers. Fourth phase, marketing and sales. We focus on targeted marketing to address the needs of both patients and therapists. Our sales strategies includes direct sales to health institutions, partnership with medical technology distributors, or online sales for direct consumer access. Fifth phase, expansion. Finally, we implement a feedback loop to continuously improve, plan for global expansions, and diversify our offerings. This structured approach ensures we meet market needs, adhere to regulations, and achieve sustainable growth. Research and development management has become an essential factor that needs to be nurtured properly in the development process of AssistU VR. The R&D team is split into 3 subdivisions. They are technical team who is in charge of hardware and software development, integration team responsible for maintaining the balance between subdivisions and also within another division. The psychology team consists of psychologists and psychiatric experts that develop the basic logic that will be embedded to the VR device. There are 4 main stages on the R&D process. The first one is product development that covers hardware, software, and scenario development. The second phase is prototype productions. A beta productions process is being done to manufacture the sample of VR devices. The third phase covers regulatory and compliance check to align with the local policies, including intellectual property rights registrations. The last stage is clinical trial to do human testing to use AssistU VR. Moving into this part, technology management will have significant role in driving the innovation and improving the patient outcomes. Start with EHR. Nowadays, the psychologists will use EHR system for psychologist practice. This tool will provide the best patient care possible by reducing the incidence of medical error. Next, the psychological assessment and practice management tools. It is a series of formal psychological tests or interview to identify and describe the patient's emotional or behavioral problems. Then, we have CDSS, one application that's specially designed for professional psychiatrists to provide evidence-based support for diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and increase the patient's safety. Also, the critical one is the data privacy compliance. The sensitive nature of mental health records will trigger the security of the patient's information. It is important for the industry to protect the patient confidentiality, comply with the standard regulatory.
Hello everyone, I'm Alice and I'm a worker of contact center. I've been working in this field for more than 5 years. I'm used to be exposed to any kinds of frustrating moments in which I receive complaints and anything that is stuck with humans, which brings me to sometimes it brings me to depression or a feeling of not being able to help people, and that really frustrates me. And in this situation, I really need something or someone to help me to get back up. Unfortunately, I think that meeting a psychiatrist or maybe a psychologist is costly, and it's very energy consuming. I feel that this AssistU VR is very helpful because it is easily accessible and I can buy it on my own. It's even I think it's just a simple program that can help me during whenever I feel down.
Thank you all for going through this project brief. Best of luck. We are happy to
assist you.